Hey guys, Corn here, and I want to talk to you about, this is hilarious. I was playing with one of my friends on GTA, and then we were just like fighting, and he had everything. His health was fully barred, getting shot, and he put a bounty on me, and I came at him, and I just touched him. I didn't even punch him. I just went at him, and Dolphin died. And he went flying, like if he came back at me, I would matrix him, but then he would have kicked me in the balls. But no, instead he went flying like some freaking. If he was Superman and I just touched him with kryptonite, you think, holy God. Well, I was like, yo, something wrong there. So I turned off my game and I checked, nothing was wrong. It's just that automatically when I got it back on, all I see is he stole everything of mine. I don't even know how he got everything of mine. And then when I get out of my house, first thing I see is a tank right at me, straight right in my eyes, and boom, he shoots me right in the face. I can't believe it. I'm like, yo. So then I was like, you know what? Forget about this. I'm not doing it. I'm tired. So that's what happened. So thanks. Well, the blizzard's over. Well, yeah, it actually is over. You might be able to kind of see a little. The blizzard's over. It's all snow, but yeah. That's all I want to tell you. Thanks, and bye. Peace.